Hi, are you using Odoo CRM for your customer lead management and also run Google Ads and just submit the form fill up as a conversion to Google Ads, but in your CRM backend, which your qualified audience and which your converted customer Google Ads don't know, then you are optimizing your ad within the wrong conversion. Then Google Ads don't know which your paying customer and which your qualified lead. Okay, then just Google optimize your ad for the form submission, because when 100 lead is come, then it should be 50 lead is qualified and then 20 to 30 lead is converted, something like that. Okay, and for that but if the Google optimize and deliver your ad according to these 100 people who submit the form, then your ad will optimize with wrong people. Okay, and in this video I'll show you how you can set up the Google Ads offline conversion tracking for Odoo CRM. Then Google will know which your qualified lead and which your converted customer. Okay, and this is the Odoo CRM dashboard, and there is an option for CRM and the website. So, and there is the website option. Actually in Odoo CRM there is no option to create a form then embed the form in your website. Okay, like Zoho and the pipe drive. In the previous videos I show you how you can set up the offline conversion tracking for the Zoho CRM and the pipe drive CRM. And for the pipe drive and Zoho CRM there is an option to create a web form then embed the form to our website. But in the Odoo there has no option to create a web form, then embed the form to your website. Okay, there is an option for the website. Then you can build your website in Odoo CRM. Okay, then you can build a contact form in the Odoo contact space or another page. Okay, and in this video I will show you how you can set up the offline conversion tracking with the form that provided by Odoo website. But in another case you can use another form for as like contact form and the WP7 form to collect your user data. Then you can pass this user information to the Odoo CRM. I'll record another video for this. Okay, but in this video I will show you how you can set up the offline conversion tracking for the Odoo website. Okay, and first of all, for that I have to go to the CRM section, and from the CRM I have to go to the developer mode, and this is the option for the developer mode. Actually it's called the Toggle Studio. I have to go here, and from the CRM module. Okay, then I have to change the view. I have to go to the form view. Okay, this is actually the form view, and there is an option for the email and the phone number. And there you have to create there you have to create some custom field, something like that. This is the add custom field, and you can add a field like this, text. Then you can add a field like this. Okay, and this is actually the field. Then you can name this field as like FBP. Okay, something like that you can put here. Okay, then just remove the form view. Just I'm going to remove it because no need this. Already I create the form for the cookie collect as GCLID, FBCLID, and the GBRID and the WBRID. Okay, and if I click over the GCLID, then you can see this is the GCLID view. Actually when you create a form, create a field inside the Odoo CRM, then it's a backend name will be something like that. Backend name will be something like X studio, then GCLID. Okay, you have to remember this name in the if you name this field label as a GCLID, but in the backend it will be something like that, X studio GCLID. Okay, let's go to the from view again. Okay, this is the GCLID. Already show you the it's will like this, X studio GCLID. Okay, but in this case I will not put it here because in the backend name it will be calculate in the backend. Okay, then I just create the 4 value for custom field for the GCLID, FBCLID, and GBRID and WBRID, or all of the cookie parameter. And in this video I'll show you how you can set up the offline conversion tracking for the Google Ads. That's why in this video FBCLID is not important for us. Okay, then I have to create the form. And that's why you have to go to the app section, and from the app then you have to search their website. Already I installed this website module, that's why it's not showing here. And you according to your case you have to install the website. And I'm going to again the app section, and from the here in the website section, if I go to website section, then this is the website Odoo build for me, and it's just a template. You have to change or some text according to your business. Okay, also you have to change the logo here. Okay, I set up the offline conversion tracking for the contact us page form, and that's why I have to go to the contact us page. And when I go to the contact us page, I have to edit this page. Then there, as you can see, if I click over, if I going to edit the GCLID, then it's also a field here. If I click over a new field, actually you can build a new field here. And this okay, let me show you from the GCLID, and this is GCLID. And just look at here, the field type should be this field type will be connected with your CRM field type. Actually this is the type is GCLID. Actually I made this, it's a existing field. Okay, also you will find here other parameter, other field. Actually it's for the FBCLID, and you have to choose the field type that's match with your CRM. Okay, and it will be a hidden field, visibility rule hidden, and its the input type should be text, and the label is FBCLID. Okay, that's it. I create GCLID, FBCLID, and WBRID, GBRID for all of the for all of is the hidden field, and it will collect our cookie parameter. Okay, and then if I click over this save, then on more task we have to do in this website and the form. That is, I have to collect the GCLID and FBCLID from the URL. That's why I have to put here a code in the head section. And here as you can see, there is I put here a code. That is that's code for this code actually capture the GCLID and FBCLID from the URL. Then it will be fill up this form automatically, fill up this field automatically. Okay, now I'm going to test this setup as example. Now I'm going to copy this URL, then I paste it here. Then let me add some parameter here. That is FBCLID test. I am going to change this, and GCLID I also going to change this, and GBRID I'm going to change it, and the WBRID I also want to change that. Okay, let's go to this page, and let's submit the form as example. Let me put here a name as example. Okay, let me put here a name like Josh English. Okay, then as a phone number I'm going to change that. Okay, then the email is josh@gmail.com. okay, and one more thing, this form actually connected with this form actually form aside in the form. Sorry, it's not, it's the form in the form. Then its action is create an opportunity. Actually it's a opportunity section in our CRM. I will show you later. Then this form data will actually go to the opportunity section. In the Odoo CRM there is an option just for contact and the opportunity. Okay, and I'm send the form data to the opportunity section. Okay, then if I fill out this form with some information, subject booking, and it's a test, and let's submit this form. Okay, I submit this form. Now if I go to the CRM section for this website, I have to go to the CRM section. From there, this is the CRM section, and in the CRM section, if I delete over this filter section, then as you can see there is a lead by Josh English. If I click over here, then as you can see all of the GCLID and the FBCLID and the GBRID, WBRID, all of the thing is captured, and the phone number and the email address. Okay, now I have to create a webhook and have to create the SGTM client that will receive our event. And for that, I have to go to the configuration section, and it will be the settings. And no, sorry, it's not the option. And have to go to the CRM section. And from the CRM, I have to go to this configuration. It's not the option. Let me show it again. Okay, it's under the developer mode, and it's, if I go here, then you can see there is an webhook option, and you have to create a webhook. Already I created that, but I'm going to show you that option. It's a new, and then you have to create the webhook. Like if I go to the automation section, then I can show, I can see this is the webhook actually I set up. Actually this will new deal create or deal stage update to SGTM. Okay, actually when a opportunity is created, if I go to the CRM again, then as you can see, this is the sales pipeline, and it's a it's the opportunity section according to the Odoo CRM. Then it's the new opportunity, qualified, proposition, and the one section. Okay, now if I drag and drop this in the qualified, then from the qualified to on, then it will be then I have to fire a automation and a webhook that already show you when a lead when a opportunity is created, my webhook also work. And when it's I change the stage like on to new to qualified, then also my webhook is fired. Okay, and also I create a template for that. It's a Odoo CRM webhook, and already I configured this by the client. Okay, if I go to the client section, then as you can see, this is the client I created, Odoo CRM webhook, and I have to put here the path that I set up in the webhook from the Odoo CRM, and it's the event name. I put the event name lead status update. Okay, now if I preview that, I want to show you it's working or not. I'm going to preview that. Okay, I'm going to preview that, and also I have to enable a power up from the step, that is SGTM preview header config, and I have to enable that. Let load the preview mode from the SGTM. Actually webhook work with Google Tag Manager server container. It will not work with your Google Tag Manager web container. Okay, and webhook is the best and the easiest method to set up the set up the offline conversion tracking. Okay, let put it here. Okay, let's save change that. Okay, it will take some time to deploy this, and in the meantime we will send this to new to qualified, then qualified to on, then we'll watch the every step in here. Okay, then let's verifying this. Let's running this server, because we just use a power up. That's why it will take some time to deploy this server again. Okay, and it will be deploy within a 2 to 3 minutes, and it will be exist. This token is deployed within a few minutes and automatically deletes after 2 hours. Okay, and it will exist 2 hours, and 2 hours is enough to observe the setup and the testing, then debug the setup. Okay, no need more time for that. Okay, and I'm waiting for the deploying the server. I hope it will be deploying soon, and we can see the event. Okay, and then we'll make the activity when it will be running, we'll make the activity in our CRM, then I will see it's working. Okay, sometime it's take time. Okay, just look at there, the server is running, and if I go to the tag assistant, tag manager, debug mode, and just look at here, there has no event. Now if I go to my CRM, then if I drag and drop this in the qualified, then I will see, just look at here, this is the Odoo webhook is fired and there is an event that is lead status update. Okay, and then if I go to the event data, then as you can see the deal stage is qualified and the email and the event name and the FBCLID and the first name, GBRID, GCLID and the last name, also the phone number, and all of the information is here. Okay, and it's a WBRID, all of the information is here. Okay, and it's a conversion time. Actually this conversion time is it's a current conversion time. When a webhook is fired, then this will be conversion time, because conversion type need for Google ads and Facebook ad, Facebook ad. Okay, and if I go to variable section, then you can see this conversion time is converted to a UTC format. Actually it's a Unix format. Unix conversion time is for Facebook and it's for Google. Okay, and I convert this Unix time to UTC by a custom variable, that is Google Ads conversion time formatter. Okay, that's everything. Now we can make the variable and we can set up the Google Ads conversion tracking easily by Google Tag Manager server container. Okay, and now if I show you, if I make this to on, then I will see there is a new event, that is the deal stage. Deal stage is on. Okay, that's it. And hopefully you understand the process how this working. And now we can easily set up the tag and we can filter the tag by the deal stage. Okay, hopefully understand. Have a good day. If you want to get the video something like that, then just please subscribe the channel. Then I will try to upload more video about the offline conversion tracking. Okay, and also if you want to set up this kind of for any kind of CRM for Google Ads and for Facebook Ads offline conversion tracking, then you can knock me WhatsApp. I will drop my WhatsApp number in the description. Okay, thank you so much.